Jojo, fan that out. And we're going to show the homeowners how the pressure we use does not even damage anything. So go ahead and press the handle there, squeeze the trigger. And if you look and see, we're using very low pressure. I could stick my hand in it and it does nothing, does not hurt at all. It's very low pressure that we use to wash the house. So we're not going to be busting out your screens, your frames, taking unnecessary paint off. It's a very light pressure. If you have the right chemicals and the right knowledge, it doesn't take a lot of PSI. It just takes the right application and the right set of solutions to get your house properly cleaned. Again, cleaning this with very little pressure. Almost the equivalent of what comes out of a water hose. Now the concrete, that's a different story. We do use more pressure on a concrete, roughly about 1,500 to 2,000 PSI. But there are people that are washing homes with that much PSI on a home, which is completely unnecessary and can cause unnecessary damage.